Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking for the pot. Obviously, I pulled it. I showed you guys in the last vid. But I want to get it on screen. I want to film it for you guys. So, this is going to be a bit of a longer video. We have got 12 tins. And let's see what we can get. Hopefully, we can also get some of the alternative art, Black Magician Girl, Blue Eyes and Red Eyes, because that would be cool. Let's make a mess. What we'll do is we'll open 3 tins at a time and see what we get. Hope you guys enjoy these longer videos. It'll take a little bit more time to edit and video, but that's no problem. Let's get into it. 3 tins. Will we see the pot in the first 3 packs? Tins. Let's go. Gunkin Sushi. Fabled, Virtual World, Ice Jade, Dark Infinite, Domatica Genius, Ready Fusion, as I said, lovely art, B Trooper Scout, Buggy, I think we're going to have quite a few more lots to go through. That's all right. Lots of bulk to sell. Live Twin Lala Treat. Nice. Dark Ruler No More. Great staple. Drytron. Probably the worst secret in here. Fairy Archer. Live Twin Frost. Nice. Mountainlit Chill. The Ghost Mourner. Nice. And Secret. Evil Twin Trouble Sunny. Sweet. Love that art. Looks so good. Bear with me, ladies and gents. I will just go and grab my sleeves. Alright, let's sleeve her up. Sweet. Looking good. Stick her over there. Come on. You want to see the pot. If we can pull more than just one, that'll be just both. Let's go. Gizmex. Psychic Eraser, Fabled, Arm Dragon, Thunder Level 3, more Gizmax, Hidden Spring, Thunderies and M-Pen. Sweet. Branded Bond, Synchron Overtake, and Dramaturge of Despia. Looks really good in the secret. Got plenty of them though. Flunder, Magic-E, B-Trooper, Gunship, Branded. Next pack. Sexual Alliance, Albion, Armed Dragon, Thunderies and Stry, Dimension Shifter, another good staple, and Closed World. Nice. Don't think we got this in the 5 tins we opened last time, so it's nice to see it here. Good pull. Just leave that one up. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, please do. That's where I announce most of the time when my videos will be up. And also, I tend to go through the Twitterverse of what's going down in the Yu-Gi-Oh world. Screams of the Branded. Slower Swallow. AI Meet You. Toucan and rubbish. Rubbish. Go away, Glytron. We don't want to see you. Our third, we're on to our third tin now. The last 3 packs of these 3 tins. Fabled. Radiant. Machina. Looks so good. And Ash Blossom and Joy Spring. Nice. Good £10 card there. Sweet. Got plenty of her, but she's a good staple. Let's get rid of those. Sleeve her up. Sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed the meme video as well, opening. I certainly enjoyed making it and editing. Nibiru, the final being. Lovely. And Etrian Quartus. Nice. Let's go. Ruddy Rose. Nothing. Last pack of these 3 tins. Will we get the pot in this one? Let's find out. Magical Cylinders. Gunkan Shoe Ship. Oh, I nearly ruined it. Reinforcement of the Army. And Branded Opening. Nice. Right. Next 3 tins. Get them open. Get rid of rubbish. Get rid of the rubbish. There we go. 9 more packs. Let's get into it. Bacon is spuds. Waking Bacon. Ghost Reaper of Winter Cherries. Nice. Dark Ruler No More. Very nice. And Goddess of the Closed World again. Okay, not too bad so far. Sleeve her up. Next pack. Gizmek. Come on. UNAI. EMR. Judgment. Ghost Mourner. Trap Tricks. DDD. Heritage of the Light. And Small World. It certainly is a small world. Last pack of this tin. Will we see the pot masquerade? Will we see an alternative art? Ghost Spell of the Haunted Mansion. Don't know if she's worth anything like Ash Blossom, but still very nice. On to the next tin. Boom, boom, boom. Tragedy. Masquerade again. Sorry about these angles. the Otter. Synchron Overtake. And Albion, the Branded Dragon. Sweet. Ice Jade. Link Apple. Got to do those links. Next pack of Destiny. Let's go. Freeze Belt. Sexual Alliance. Virtual World. Gate. Branded Bond. And Evil Twin Sunny. Really? They're good pulls, but I don't really want to see multiple. Rather see something else. Let's keep going. That's the only problem, is all those, the good secrets in this set are all short printed. So you only ever see one of them. M-Pen, Ice Jade, Apex, Rebuilder, and Lord of Heavenly Prism. Very nice. Let's leave that one up. If I am going too fast, please let me know in the comments and I'll slow it down. Still trying to work out the best opening technique. And if you prefer the shorter or longer videos, email, or I could do both. Black Eyes, Slower Swallow, Mimicking Man-Eater Bug, and... oh no, we still got one more. Okay, my bad. The Breaking Ruined God, and Branded Opening again. Where is the pot? Bee Trooper, Flip Frozen, Flying Carp. Sweet. Next pack. Fable Tension. Frost. Warrock. Contact with the Abyss, and Thunderies and the Magnificent Map. Last pack. Come on. Give us something good. Sexual. Guitars. M-Pen again. Treat. AI Meet You. Scrap Raptor. Very good card. And DPE. Let's go. I don't think I've ever pulled this card this much ever, but it's such good artwork. Let's go. That may push me over the playset now and the extra with DPE, so any more selling or giving away. Come on, we want the pot. Be also nice to see Dark Magician Girl. Or Blue Eyes. Haven't pulled them for a while. Even Forbidden Droplet, to be honest. So many good secrets. It's a shame you need this many packs to try and get one of them. I'm not complaining. Right. Another 3 tins. After this, we've only got 3 left. Come on. Will we find the pot? Come on up. Don't need to carry on this series. Keep on trying to find the pot. Let's go. I'm dragging again. Black Eyes, Machina, Treat, Mimicking Man-Eater Bug, the Breaking Rune, and there it is, way. The pot. Let's go, ladies and gents. Very nice. That is so sick. Let's go. Sleeve that bad boy up right now. Cool. I am happy. That is so cool. Right. Let's see if we can get ourselves an alternative art. I would love a Dark Magician Girl. Let's go. Oh, I'm so buzzing. That's sick. can we get? Albion. Boom. Next pack. Guitars, Terrors, Wind Witch, Book of Luna, Scrap Raptor again, Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. Very nice. Leave that one up. The girls all look good in the back there, showing their support. Let's go. Will we get another pot? I doubt it, but that would be cool. As I said, I would like some alternative arts, please. Oh, I'm messing this one up. Lightning Storm. Focus, focus. Let's go. Look at the... I love the prismatic secret rares on these. So nice. Sweet. See that bad boy up. It's looking better, ladies and gents. It's looking better. The casual gamer is on a roll. Will we see a normal monster? Trap Tricks. Go to finish. That completes a playset of Dark Ruler No More. Very nice. Heritage and Sage. How many is it? Is it 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. X-Lord for our rare. Let's go. Bee Troopers. Link Apple. Link. Deputy's Tragedy. Trap Tricks. Oh. Stardust Trial and Greater Polymerization. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a bit weird. That wasn't the rare. Boundaries. Oh, I don't know what's happened there. Oh, I know what I've done. And Almond Dragon level 7. I said in the last pack opening, I didn't think I had him. I did. Albion, Almond Dragon, Gunship, White Knight of Dogmatica, Dimension Shifter, and Tri-Brigade Kit. Nice. Our 6th tin. I'll put us on to our last 3. Let's go. See if we can end this last 3 tins with something good. Even though these tins have probably been the best at Dual Tower. Did us dirty in the last video. Robina. Very nice. Sweet. Right. The last 3 tins. Come on. Dark Magician Girl. Blue eyes. Red eyes. Forbidden Droplet. We've got the pot. Can we make this opening even more epic? Tell you what isn't epic. All this mess. Stick you in there. Stick you in there. Stick you in there. Right. Last 3 tins. Will the heart of the cards be with us? Let's find out. Fairy Archer. Treat. World Gate. Dark Knight. Dark Eye Nightmare. I don't think... Oh, focus. I don't think we've seen him yet. Lovely art. Baby Mud Dragon and Ruddy Rose Dragon. Ruddy Rose. Sound like bloody Scooby-Doo. Let's go. Next pack. That pot in the back just looks so good. Gizmex. Ice Jade. Rebuilder. Branded opening. Come on. Tri-Brigade. One Key Way. Thunderies. Toucan. And Incredible Ecclesia. See, as I was saying, she looks so good in Prismatic Secret. Sweet. Garden Rose Flora. Does think I've seen that rare before. Nice. Sleeve her up. Boom. Let's go. White Knight. Book of Lunar Eclipse. Abyss Keeper. Apex. Small World. Certainly is a small world. 5 packs remaining. What do we get? Dark Magician Girl. Red Ice. Blue Eyes. Or another pot. Even Dragoon. Dragoon would be another nice pull. Oh, come on. This one feels like a forbidden droplet to me. So we'll do 7 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Starmine. Treat. Beast. Dimension Shifter. What was it? Oh. What could it be? Other than Dark Magician Girl? Alaba? Ecclesia? 500, 300? Diviner of the Herald. Good pull. Holding its value well as well. I'll sleeve that one up. Alright. The last 3 mega packs of Destiny. Come on. We got the pot, but please give us something else. High Ritual. Slower Swallow. Heritage of the Light. Another DPE. Very nice. Sleeve him right up. Go over there. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. The Grand EMR. Gizmek. Judgment of the Branded. Fabled. Frost. Branded Bond. It's another effect monster. Okay. Come on. Last pack. Give us something good to end the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Unchained Bumpkin Beast. Libitum of Despia, B-Trooper Light Flapper, Flying Red Carp, Flundries and the Sky Sea, Zora, Magicy World, oh don't ruin it, Despian Comedy, Expandable Diet, Guitars, Guitar Hero, Dragon Lightning, Sunvine Crossbreed, Flundries and M-Pen, Synchro Overtake. Here we go. I believe the next card is... it's going to be Drytron, isn't it? It is Drytron to bloody end the video. Right. That is it, ladies and gents. Thank you for watching. And that is mission accomplished. I shall see you in the next video. See you later, geezers.